Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about our relationships with ourselves and people in our lives. It is important that we treat people on how we would like to be treated. Part of being a good person is treating others the way you would want to be treated. People appreciate and reciprocate kind and respectful treatment. This is human nature, and it's what makes us feel like we belong in a group. It gives us a sense of worth, belonging, and autonomy. By being kind to others, we will be rewarded with kindness in return.
Honey, no one wants to listen to you talk like that. As a man, I can say that the only thing you should be doing is looking for someone who will spend time, effort, and money on your needs. You'll enjoy living with someone like me who will treat you with respect and provide the best service. All I'm asking for in return is that my house is tidy and kids are fed. Is that such a big ask?
Unexcuse me. What happened to this being an educational video? All I'm saying is that you shouldn't try and buy a woman's love. I or any other woman deserves to be treated with respect, not in a patronizing way. You might be a really nice person, but it still feels really condescending when you assume I'm not good enough to do things myself. Engineer, can you please turn that crappy music off?
Honey, you can do those things for yourself with my money. I mean, look at our relationship like a business. The kids are our employees, while I provide the materials and the paychecks. If you don't take care of them well, things will go downhill.
Go suck out your one teeth, Granny. Who the hell do you think you're talking to? You got to be some kind of clown to act this way. I will take my earrings off and get in the ass like cheese in a Panzerotti. Oh, you have me so heated right now. I will beat your ass. Just shut the hell up.
Calm down, my little sugar dumpling. I still love you. Now can we get back to voicing this video?
I am done trying to voice this video with you. I don't want to work with you anymore. Remember, the only thing I am good for is taking care of the kids and cleaning the house. Your words, not mine. I'm leaving, have a nice life, and you're sleeping on the couch tonight.
Baby, I was only joking. Can we talk about this, please? This is a perfect example why you always should treat people with the respect they deserve, especially your wife, or you might end up having to sleep on the couch like me. I hope you enjoy the video. I've got to get going now and apologize to my wife. Baby, I'm sorry. I was kidding. Come on, please forgive me.
No, stay away from me. I should really turn into Austin 316 and whip your ass.